Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into OPPO A3 Pro. So you have to start by pressing your SIM card tray key into this hole right here. And now your SIM tray should pop up and you can pull it out. And now you have to put your SD card on your SIM tray. And then you have to put your SIM card on your SIM tray. And now you can put your SIM tray back into your phone. Like this. And as you can see by my network bars on the status bar, my SIM card is now working. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.